What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to be reviewing these watercolor pencils. Are they as good as people say they are? Okay, so initial thoughts. These went down really nicely, and I really like how the colors were vibrant and easy to move. Sometimes too easy to move. When the pigment's laid down in a thick fashion, wow, thick fashion, it can be overbearing on some parts. Like the black here, I did have to take a little piece of toilet paper to lift it a little bit, but whenever they dry, they look fantastic. Also, whenever I did the test on seeing how far the pigment would go, the yellow went the furthest, and the black went almost as far. These also lay down really nicely on top of each other, so whenever you're doing layering and stuff like that, it's really good to put these new colors on top of whatever color you have down, and it's not really going to move the bottom color that much if it's dry, which is interesting to me. And whenever you layer them in a transparent fashion like this with the blue, they look just like a subtle change. The yellow, it was a little bit... I'm going to get this into the full drawing and everything. I used the yellow, the red, the blue, the black, and also the goldenrod, which I used for the hair, and which it's really good for the like brownish yellow, blonde hair, stuff like that. So I'm gonna let this go through, and then I'll be back with you guys after this drawing of Supergirl. Hope you enjoy.
Take me down to the river. Take me down to the river. Take me down to the river and take me up to the mountain and show your power. I wanna see your power. I wanna feel your pain. Why don't you bring the fire and I'll bring the rain. Take me down to the river. Take me down to the river. Take me down to the river and hold me under. I wanna feel your power. I wanna feel your pain. Why don't you bring the fire and I'll bring the rain. I'll bring the rain.
Okay, guys, so these pencils right here are the bomb. This is how it turned out, and I'm really happy with this. So initial thoughts were that the yellow was too opaque. I did find out that the yellow did bring a lot of opacity to the table, but you had to be more subtle with adding the pigment down. So you could add a little bit of pigment and it would drag a short amount of time to get that nice gradient that I have right here. And I'm really happy with the results of this, and I could not recommend these pencils more. Hashtag not sponsored. But Prismacolor, if you're watching this, I really appreciate you guys, because these are amazing for any watercolorist any artist. It does not matter. Mixed media. You could, in theory, use these for background effects on acrylic pieces. Say you have a white background and an acrylic foreground, and you want to have a watercolor look, but you don't want to splatter on the actual acrylic foreground. What you can do, use these pencils here, draw in some splatter looking things, add water, and then you're good. No masking fluid needed. So all in all, I highly recommend these pencils, and if you buy them, awesome. I will have a link to in the description down below to the actual pencils and what sets there are. There's a 12 set, a 36 set, and there's a 12 set, 24 set, and 36 set. So I'll link those down in the description. So I'm gonna link those down in the description, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I highly recommend buying these pencils because these are the top tier watercolor pencils that I have ever used in my entire life. And these are the only ones I've ever used in my entire life. So it's a solid assessment. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, drop a like, share, subscribe. And as always, I'll see you guys next time.